Cap 26, so we just do tips for heroes and hobbies. And we've got these little Lost in Face figures we're going to do. So let's get in close here. See if we can focus in on one. Pick one up. And we dip the paint in with our toothpick. And we're going to go in and do the eye. Like that. Got one like this. And it's very hard to do this, so I'm not in camera doing it in focus, but I'll show you the results afterwards. So let me focus out here. So this eye has to be done. And not so good. Got to get a Q-tip here. Wipe it away. You can do this, wipe it away. That's a little bit better. And then you have to go around with the flesh color again and cut in with the flesh color. Okay, I'm going to show you that. Not too bad. I used the blue, and then this one. That's not too bad. You're not going to get it perfect, but you can cut in with your brush with flesh tone. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Just use a toothpick to do your eyes, and that'll get you to get the eyes in there, and then just cut in with the brush and make them look a little bit better with flesh tone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Rate and subscribe.